لكل هالعالم في دار تختصر عالم، وقال بوصفها العالم دبي كوكب آخر، دبي كوكب آخر. على كثر المدى والضي في حضرة حسنها الساحر، لكم يا ضيوف دار الحي سلام يشرح الخاطر. على كثر المدى والضي في حضرة حسنها الساحر، لكم يا ضيوف دار الحي سلام يشرح الخاطر. هلا يا كل هالعالم في دار تختصر عالم، وقال بوصفها العالم دبي كوكب آخر. وهل قلوبك تتفيا وخليني يتضيا، لأنها كانت الدنيا وعشق ما له آخر.
First of all, I'd like to welcome you all here, and the Biostro welcomes you to our premises. I have been an engineer, and I was involved in the projects from like very small projects to like $10 million project. So we have been doing this all over the GCC, and that was with my early organization. Then we set up this in 2021. Before this, we started another company called Technical Service, DSPM Technical Service, where we do the installation, commissioning of Tetra Pak machines and other equipments. This company we started in March this year, 2021. And then it took quite some time to open up a bank account, and then we got the machines, and then we started in October. So we are very young today. See, polypropylene straws everybody makes. We have added advantage that we are making a PLA straw. PLA straw is biodegradable. If you know that 3% of the waste going in the landfill is coming from the plastics, and we want to help our customers do movement from PP to non-petroleum based product. So we started with polypropylene, and then we have PLA also, but because today there is no regulation on this, so we are still supplying polypropylene, but we have a plan to do PP and paper straws also in time to come. Yeah, because I have been living here, I feel it as my home. I have been like very thankful to the government and to the sheikhs here. So whatever the infrastructure they have given me here, it is commendable. Vision for the future for our company is like we want to supply the straws to all the GCC. Yeah, and then diversify into different products like the rice straws, then the grass straws, coconut straws, bamboo straws, and even the wooden cutleries like spoons, knife, forks, and those things. Really appreciate the work that the UAE authorities have been doing, and not only me, even my children, my daughter can walk around freely, maybe like 2 o'clock with no issues. So I really appreciate that, and even we don't fear going to the police. Like in my country, people fear going to the police. Here we can walk into the police station, we can talk to them, they will settle our issues. We are located in Hamriya Free Zone, and why I selected this is because they have a very nice infrastructure here. It is easy from Dubai, Sharjah, and even Umm Al Quwain. So the warehouses, they have built up the warehouses with adequate power, and the people can just move in and do their business as usual.
يا كل هالعالم في دار تختصر عالم وقال بوصفها العالم دبي كوكب آخر دبي كوكب آخر على كثر المدى والضي في حضرتها يحل